What's up, y'all? D-Styles here.
What's up, y'all? DJ Babu. We're here to talk to you today about doing low to high baby scratches. So basically what we're trying to achieve here is a baby scratch that goes from a very low tone to a very high pitched tone. So what you're going to notice is when we're doing a very low tone is that we're going to be using a lot less record movement. You know, if you watch D's marker, his initial movement is going to be from about 12 to 1. And as he goes to a higher tone, it starts becoming 12 to 1, 12 to 2, 12 to 3, 12 to 4 being the highest pitched. And he's able to work his way up and down this scale almost, right? So here's D demonstrating what it sounds like. So as you can see, D is achieving a baby scratch. Really important. He's always starting at the top of the sound, which is 12 o'clock for our visual marker. His hand stays on the record when he's executing the scratch. And if you notice, every time he achieves each note, 12 to 1, he always comes back all the way to 12. 12 to 2, he comes all the way back to 12. 12 to 3, 12 to 4, he's being very precise using his visual marker to make sure he's making that complete baby scratch. Once again, it sounds like. And we can also go high to low. So that's achieved by going from 12 to 4. Now the next scratch is 12 to 3, 12 to 2, 12 to 1, getting lower in pitch. So it would sound like this. Now we can do those in succession. D can go from low to high, high to low, any way you want. So let's just try going from low to high, back down to high to low, and repeating that. Now high to low, getting lower, low to high, high to low.
And just so you guys notice, my hand is always staying on the record. It's being glued to about 9 o'clock. I'm always keeping it. I'm not releasing the record. I'm not ever playing the sound. It's always staying stationary to the record.
And I think this is a good general thumb to always realize about all of our scratches, no matter what we're doing, to understand the relationship of record movement and tone and pitch. A lot of times when you're achieving a lower pitch, like we said before, you're probably using less record movement. All right, but you want to achieve a higher pitch, you're probably making a more aggressive and you're using more record to reach a higher pitch. So keep that in mind. Let's hear what this sounds like over a beat now. Baby scratch, low to high, high to low. Low to high. Let's try high to low now. High, low. Go low to high. High to low, low to high. Baby scratch, low to high, high to low, D-Styles, Babu, BeatJunkies.tv.